एक बहुत बड़ा सवाल पूछ रही हूँ जो बहुत से लोगों के मन में है। Does Siddharth love Shehnaz or does he take her as a friend? What do you think?
Well, that's something that they both have to answer. If you see together, they are very compatible. They are very much together, very much in love, very much in they. It looks like that. But वो अंदर क्या है? That is a viewer's point of view, and what they have within themselves are two different issues. Unless somebody comes up and actually tells me, if Siddharth comes and actually tells me that so and so, this I love her and I can't live without her, etc., etc. Because Paras in Big Boss House had told me this dialogue, and they see where Paras went. Paras told me कि I can't live without her. She is the woman I want to marry. मैंने कैसे करेगा? बोले घर पे जाऊंगा और घर पे जाके बोल दूंगा कि मैं ये हूँ भाई, मैं तुझसे चाहता हूँ.
उसने ये सब शहनाज के लिए कहा था और आपने शहनाज को बताया भी था ये.
शहनाज को बताया भी था भाई ये बोल रहा है ऐसा. Talk to him, sort it out. If somebody can say these things, that means very. उसने ये तो मुझे बताया था जब मैं फर्स्ट डे एंटर कर रहा था, जब कुर्सी में बैठा था सलमान खान के बाद, कि यार कितनी सोहनी लड़की है यार, मैं तो इसके या उससे इंटेंशनली बोला था या क्या बोला, मुझे उस दिन बोल दिया था और जाती वो लग गया था उसके साथ. So I think that is an equation which I thought is working, and I felt they were nice kids. Okay, man, it's he chose to himself. I was happy for them. ठीक है, वो भी पंजाबी. It is good. But then the tables turned again. You see, young people today lack commitment. There's a commitment phobia in the society today. This is a study that young people should make themselves to understand that there's a commitment phobia. People are scared to commit. A young girl is scared to commit her life and future into a man's hand. A man is scared to commit to a girl that my life is going to be with you. They're just scared. Because अब वो माहौल रहा नहीं पहले जैसा, where a man can come up and take the hand of a woman and say, she's mine. You know, nobody else can look. So that thing is not happening. So the females are also scared because no man has actually come up and said that to them. Till somebody actually, so they're rather going for an arranged setup in these circumstances. So love can change, and young girls don't want to get involved so early. They want to work, they want to build up their careers, they want to have everything on their own. So that is what the young girls also want to do. So why do we force anybody? So this is a relationship between a man and a young girl, and both of them have to decide what is going to happen to their future. This could be a lucky break in their life that they met and this will have a great future together, or it could be unlucky if they break, and very lucky if they join together. It could be either way, but at the moment I think both of them are very interested in their careers, and I don't see anything reason to be unfriendly to each other. They could be friends.
Right. Fifi, Big Boss सीजन 14 के घर में अभी 3 एक्स कंटेस्टेंट हैं.